Karizma is a complete create, print, deliver, and manage solution. Karizma always provides innovative solutions to photographers. Karizma Design Smart is a complete automatic album designing software. Karizma Design Smart is specially designed for professional photographers. To operate the Karizma Smart software, you don't need to have a creative or expert. Karizma Design Smart is a very user-friendly software. Karizma Design Smart is a complete standalone software. Karizma Design Smart is bundled with thousands of layouts and templates. In Karizma Design Smart, you can create, modify, and save your templates and layouts. Karizma Design Smart is bundled with thousands of cliparts, masks, frames, and shapes. You can even download latest from Karizma website also. Karizma Design Smart is a complete cloud-based technology software. Now let's see installation of Karizma Design Smart. To begin with the installation, you need to disable antivirus software on your PC and then you can follow. Now as soon as the installation is finished, you can just click on finish button. As soon as you click on finish, you can see the icon on the desktop. To start Karizma Design Smart, just double click on Design Smart icon. You need to set up a minimum resolution of 1366 by 768 in 16 by 9. If the resolution is low, then you will get a warning message that your resolution is low. Registration. When you complete the installation process and open the software for the first time, it will ask you for a software registration. Software registration is compulsory and every user has to register the software. You need to put up your name, your company address, the country from where you are. For example, if you are from India, you can just select India. Then you need to mention the state, city, and zip. Zip in the sense you can put a pin code over here. Then you can select a profession, whether you are a lab, you are a design house, or a photographer. You need to have a email ID also for the registration. It is a compulsory field. A new email ID and you can put over here. Then you need to put your phone number, your mobile number. Mobile number is again is a compulsory field because whatever the updates related to Karizma Design Smart that you will get on your mobile and your email. So email and mobile both are compulsory to put up. And in the end, you need to put the registration key. With every Karizma Design Smart software, we are providing a registration key. So you need to put your registration key here and click on register button. As soon as you click on register button, you will receive an email and you will also receive a SMS on your mobile number also. Please note that while doing your registration process, you need to connect internet. So a active internet connection is necessary. In case if you format your hard drive or if your hard drive is get damaged, Then in that case, as soon as you reinstall your Windows or you replace your hard drive, and once you install Karizma Design Smart software, you will get the same registration window again. If your software is already registered with Karizma, then you can just then you can click on already registered button over here, and you can put a registration key which you have received through SMS or email. So you need to keep your email safe. Once you put registration key here, just click on register button and it is done. But in case if you change your motherboard or if you change your system, then you need to get a new copy of Karizma Design Smart software. How to use Design Smart software? To start the Design Smart software, double click on this icon. You will see this interface. To start a new album designing, click this user defined icon. Here you will be able to see all the projects that you have created. If you want to export any of these projects, select the project and open Explorer icon. If you want to delete any project, select the project and click delete icon. A permission dialog will open. Click yes if you want to delete the project. Here you can see the total number of projects saved in the bin. And here you will see the thumbnail of the project you have exported so far. Now we will see how to create and modify new page size. To begin with, first you give the name of the project. Suppose I give Viren as project name. Simply type the name in the project name tab box. Assign the folder from here. You can enter a client's name for your reference. If you do not give name, then by default it will give a serial number and create a new file. Then you have to decide which size of the album you want to make. Accordingly, select the preset of the size you want from many ready to use presets. Suppose you want to make Karizma album like Elite, Glitch or Classic. All you have ready-made preset sizes. There is no need to make new size. Suppose I select Classic album of size 18 by 12. You can see that the page size is opened exactly 36 by 12 along with your cover page size of 18 by 12. If this size is okay for you, then click next. As you click on next, you will be taken to photo section. If you want to set your own size for Karizma album creation, then you have two choices. You can choose any available preset. As you select the preset, the size of the selected preset is shown here. Now if you want to modify this size, there is a switch provided here. Click on the edit button and select the size you want. For example, if you want to create 30 by 12, then type 30 in width and type 12 in height. Then select the number of pages and click save button. Now edit the preset name. Suppose you want to give 30 by 12 as name, then write on text box along with any description and save. If you want to create a new page size in Design Smart instead of using the preset size, then select the name of the project, select the folder you want to save in and select new from here. Now you can see that the page size becomes 0 here. Now put new size you want, for example 30 by 12. Then automatically your page size will change according to your selected size. You will automatically see the size you selected here on this work area, and cover size will be generated automatically according to the new values provided by me. Here you see different mode of page layout design like page or spread. Here you can choose how to start designing your first page from right side or left side. So you can select either mode as per your requirement. Here you can select how many pages you want in your album. Suppose I want 50 pages album, then automatically 25 page spread will be selected. Here you can select the safe area of your entire album for cutting consideration. You can also select safe area of individual page by selecting left, right, top and bottom size values. Here you have one more option to set digital front and back cover. If you want to set different size or different design of your front and back design, go to edit. A digital cover dialog will open. You can select front cover or front and back cover and set dimensions according to your requirement. In this interface, you can also access one more feature to adjust spine width. Spine is the center portion of the album where it folds. You can set the spine width according to number of pages, that is, more pages will require more width, fewer pages will require less width. This will specify if you want a single page or a spread loaded on the canvas. Starting page. The starting page shows whether the first page after the cover will start from left or right. If the page is starting from left, then first page will be a spread, that is both left and right page. If the starting page is right, then the first page will be a half page of spread, that is single page. How to import photos. To start editing photo album, first you have to import photos. Click on import files and select the directory and folder where you have stored the photos. Select the photos you require to use in album and add to the directory. Import directory. From here you can import the directory. Go to the directory where you have saved your photos. Select the directory and it will import the whole selected directory. Once the directory is selected, from here you can rotate the photos vertically or horizontally. You can select individual photo and rotate it, or you can select multiple photos pressing Ctrl key, select multiple photos and you can rotate horizontally or vertically. From here you can also delete extra or unused photos. Here you will see the number of photos you have selected. Here you will see the directories you have selected. It will also show you number of photos saved in each directory. From here you can rename any directory you want. You can add new directory. From here you can delete any directory if you want to. From here you can also add new category. To add new category, click the folder tab and create new category and name it. Select mode. Once all photos are added, you have to select next step. It will take you to album mode module, where you have the choice to select what type of album you want to create. Classic. Here you can work with collage based auto album creation. You can create beautiful collage pages as per number of photos specified per page. Designer. Here you can work with theme-based auto album creator and create impressive albums automatically as per your choice of themes and imported photos. Manual. Here you can create your own design pages. You will have complete freedom to show your creativity by designing pages using the huge library of templates, borders, masks, backgrounds and clip art together with different designing options. Classic mode. This is the classic mode. As you double click on the icon, you will see different kinds of ready to use themes. Click on any theme of your choice and click here. A preview dialog box will open, and if you want to see how it will look, just click the play button and you will be able to see the entire album. Each page will have different design concept. If you like the theme, then press apply or cancel if you don't like it and select another theme. If you like the theme, then put the number of photos you want to add per page in this box and then select finish. As you select finish, your album will be automatically designed and ready. Suppose you have selected 40 pages and 200 photos and each page will have 4 photos, then you will see that the album will be ready exactly the way you had defined. It will automatically spread the photos horizontally or vertically as per your choice and the album will be ready. This is the unique part of automatic album designing. Now, if you want to edit, you can do so. Another advantage of the auto mode is that none of the photos are cropped and all photos will be as per original photo. Design mode. The second mode is designer mode. Here, your album will be created automatically using theme base. Double click here and you will see different types of themes. Select the theme you want and see the preview. If you like the theme, then select apply. As soon as you select apply, all the photographs you have selected will be spread in the theme automatically. You can see in the storyboard, all the photographs are added into thematic album. But what is the difference between the classic mode and designer mode? In auto classic mode, all photographs were spread in full size. Whereas in designer mode, you can select each photo and modify it by cropping it or adjusting up or down size. Manual mode. The meaning of manual mode is that you can design the album according to your choice. You do not require any ready-made template or layout design. After adding the required photos, as soon as you double click on manual mode, you will be taken into manual mode design page. You will see all the photos that you have selected. Here you can now see a blank page. There are no themes or layouts visible here. Now manually you can add photos and start designing, or you can also select different layouts or templates manually. Layout information. This is the layout and interface of Karizma Design Smart software. On the right side, you will find photo editing tools. Here what you see are backgrounds and the applications for photo and page related tools. Here what you see are the tools for online editing of your photos. As soon as you click background, you will get background related tools. The pink area around the spread is safe area. Here what you see is menu bar. This is how the entire interface is designed. Now let's see how you can add additional photos. Here what you see in orange color icon is photo category selector, and here you can see the photos you have added. If you want to add more photos in any category, click import icon. Your selected category will open. Select the photos you want to add and import. All selected photos will be added at the end of the category. If you want to add one more directory, then go to import directory and find it and import it. You can also cancel the process if you don't want to add. Thus, you can add the new category. Here you can delete any category you do not want, and all the photos of that category will be deleted. You can also select and delete individual photos not required by you. Here you can modify the size of the thumbnail from small to large or large to small. If you want to rename any category, go to edit and a text box will appear. Write the name you want and press OK. Here you can choose view option. Click on view option and select the option provided in the tab like view with file name or tooltip with photo info. When you put the cursor on photo, you will see relevant info you have selected. You can also switch off the info tab by deselecting checkbox. From here, you can see all the categories and their photos by selecting all. Here, there is the option how to see your photos, like by name, by size, by orientation, by time used. You can drag and drop photos from your category to edit page. You will see the used indication on the photo in your category if it is already present on edit page. The used indicator will go away if you remove the photo. How to rotate photo in photo library. You can also rotate the photo clockwise or anti-clockwise from here. All these facilities are available in this module. You can also rotate photo by right clicking on photo and rotate. If you want to rotate multiple photos, then press Ctrl on keyboard and select the photos and right click and choose rotation horizontally or vertically. How to add photo in page. There are three ways to add photos to the page. Double click on photo and it will be automatically added in the page proportionately irrespective of its size, large or small. There will be a green color indicator around the photo indicating that the photo is added. You can also drag and drop the photo in the page. There will be a green color indicator around the photo indicating that the photo is added. The third way is right click on photo and select add to canvas. The photo will be added in the page. There will be a green color indicator around the photo indicating that the photo is added. How to add multiple photos and delete photo. To add multiple photos, press Ctrl key on the keyboard and select multiple photos. Then drag indicating that the photo is added. Similarly, if you want to delete any photo or multiple photos, select them and delete. How to replace and crop photo. If you want to replace any photo, then you can just drag and drop any other picture and it will be replaced. You can even double click on the picture and it will be replaced again. If you want to crop the photo, then select the crop mark. Select new size by stretching horizontally or vertically. How to set a photo as a background. To set a photo as a background, select a photo. Here there is a tab provided. Click on the tab and your selected photo will be set as a background. If you want to edit the background, a special set of tools and filters are provided here. Edit the background as per your requirement using various tools and filters like opacity, colorization, black and white, etc. Photo editing tools. Photo rotation. Select the photo. You will see green indicator. Here you will find different online editing tools. Left click on rotation tab and it will rotate left or right, showing the degree of rotation, or you can go to edit mode and rotate the photo by dragging the cursor. You can reset the rotation process from here. If you want to rotate exactly by 1 degree, press plus or minus and rotate the photo. Inside photo rotation, a tool is provided to rotate the photo in selected area within the frame. It will rotate the photo within the selected area in frame. You can also adjust the size up, down, etc. by the hand tool and adjust the photo as per your requirement. How to adjust exact height and width of photo. As you can see now, there are 4 different points on green indicator. You can drag any of the points horizontally or vertically and adjust the size accordingly. When you drag horizontal or vertical, the mouse pointer will show you exact vertical or horizontal size. Other way to adjust the size, you can go to right hand side edit window tool where width and height text box are visible. Fill in the exact detail of width and height you want and press enter. The photo will be set as per the height and width parameters that you have provided. You can also reset from here. If this height and width chain is on, then it will proportionately adjust the height and width in exact proportionate ratio. How to delete photo. To delete a photo from your designing page, click on the delete tab. The photo will be deleted. If you want to bring back the photo, click Ctrl Z or undo. The photo will be restored on the page. Reset photo. If you have cropped the photo from here and rotated the photo inside the frame, and if you want to reset, then click on reset button. It will reset, crop and rotate and will show you original position. Swap photo. If you want to swap the photo, then click on swap button and drag on the photo you want to swap. You will see little thumbnail of the photo with the cursor. Drop on the photo you want to swap and instantly it will swap the photos. Now, if you want to swap vertical photo with horizontal photo, then click the vertical photo, drag it onto the horizontal photo and it will swap. How to lock or unlock photo. You will find a photo lock function just below the photo. As soon as you click on the lock, you cannot move the photo. Whenever the mouse pointer comes on this photo, you can see the lock on mouse pointer indicating that the photo is locked. If you want to move that photo, then compulsory you have to unlock the photo, then only you will be able to move the photo. How to adjust photo opacity. If you want to adjust the opacity of the photo, then click here on opacity window. It will open a slider. Move the slider right or left and adjust the opacity as per your need. If you want to adjust opacity exactly using percentage, then use up or down arrow and set opacity as per your need. You can also adjust opacity from right side panel. Press filter and move the slider to adjust the opacity. Thus, you can adjust opacity in both the ways. You can also reset the opacity and restore original position. Now let's see how to flip photo. If you want to flip any photo in your designing page, then click on flip button on online filter. You can choose horizontal flip, vertical flip, 180-degree flip, 90-degree flip, or anti-clockwise flip. How to arrange photos. This is the arrange tool function. Arrange tool means you can arrange the position of photos. Suppose if you want this photo in back, then select the photo you want to be in back side. The green indicator will be shown. From here, go to arrange tool. Here it is written bring to front and bring to back. If you select bring to back, then your selected photo will go back. Now if you select bring to front, then the selected photo will come in front. If there are more than 2 photos, say 3 photos, and you want to arrange them, then select bring to forward and the selected photo will come in front of previous photo. If you want to bring still further in front, then again go to bring to forward tab and click. The selected photo will be now in front of all photos. Same way you can rearrange the photos according to your choice. External editor. This is the external editor tool. The expertise of Design Smart software lies in fast designing. If you want to touch up any photo or lasso cut or any other processing in the same software, then as soon as you click editor, the photo will open in the same software which you have assigned. You can process your photo here as per your requirement and save it. In this way, you can make use of both third-party and Design Smart software to design your album much faster. How to create and break collage. This is the Create Collage tool. This is latest and powerful tool. If you want to convert whatever photo and size you have selected into collage mode, then click here on Create Collage button. The selected photo will have orange color selection area and you will see all collage related tools here. This way you can create collage, and if you want to add more photos, then these photos will be added to the collage and complete collage will be created. Similarly, if you want to break collage, click on collage button again. It will break the collage and again you will be taken to starting the new collage mode. Your selected photo will be again showing green indicator. How to add and remove frame. From here, select any frame and add on your photo. You will see the frame and indicator here. You can flip horizontally or vertically from here. If you want, you can delete the frame from here. As soon as you remove frame, the indicator of the frame will be removed. If you have selected frame, then you will see the indicator, and if it is removed, then there will be no indicator. How to add and remove mask. If you want to add mask on any selected photo, click on the mask. Mask will be selected and applied on the photo, and mask indicator will be shown here. If you want to replace mask, you can do so. From here, you can flip the mask horizontally and vertically. If you want to delete mask, you can delete it by clicking on delete mask button here. Whenever you add the mask, the indicator will automatically appear. If you want to zoom or crop the photo inside the mask, then you can pen, tilt and adjust the mask as per your requirement. How to copy and paste properties. If you want to copy paste the properties of any other photo on the selected photo, then select the photo with the properties. As soon as you select the photo, you will see tools here. Click on Copy Properties tool. All properties of the photo will be selected. Then click on the photo on which you want to paste the properties. Now click on Apply Properties. As you click on it, the entire properties of the other photo will be applied on this selected photo. If you don't want these properties, just go back to Property tab, just right click on the photo and click on Clear Properties. This will reset the photo to its original state. This way you can accomplish copy property and paste property feature. How to resize photo? If you want to resize your photo, then different sets of tools are provided here. Grab any corner of the photo and pull to increase or decrease the size. If you want to resize the photo proportionately, then press Shift key and pull the photo accordingly. If you want to resize the photo in freehand mode, then press Ctrl and grab the photo with mouse pointer and resize according to your requirement. You can also crop the photo from left, right, top or bottom, and you can adjust the photo with hand tool of the mouse pointer. Quality indicator. When you stretch the photo, different indicator will appear on the corner of the selected photo. Red indicator shows unacceptable quality. It means your photo is in very low resolution. Yellow indicator shows average quality. This indicator also signifies that this quality is not good for printing. If you resize the photo and all caution indicators disappear, then it is good quality indicator for printing album. Photo properties. Let's see how to adjust photo properties. Karizma Design Smart is complete standalone software. You do not require any other third-party software for designing. If you want to do color correction, adjustment of brightness and contrast, black and white or apply filters, the tools are provided here. Click on Adjust button given on the right side. As soon as you click Adjust, you will see the properties and tools for adjusting various properties of the photo here. If you want to adjust brightness, select the photo and then move brightness slider. You can instantly adjust brightness at your desirable level. Similarly, you can also adjust contrast, saturation, hue in the same way. You can also reset the original condition by just clicking on Reset button provided alongside respective tools. You can also use various tools provided here for color correction. If you use any tools and apply, then an orange indicator will appear below the tool and the slider bar. There is a master reset button provided here. It will reset all properties that you have applied to photo and bring it back to its original property. Here we have provided black and white filter button. As soon as you click on it, the photo will be converted into black and white. You can reset it to original by clicking reset button beside the black and white filter or clicking black and white filter again. Here many ready to use presets are provided. Select any preset and double click on the preset. It will be applied to the photo. You can further modify the photo here through the respective slide bars. Similarly, more presets are provided. Choose the preset of cyan, yellow, magenta or sepia tone you want and apply the filter to the photo. You can also select multiple photos and apply all these filters to them and can create and achieve exclusive color correction, brightness, contrast and saturation. Shadow. You can apply shadow to your selected photo. To apply shadow, click here on shadow icon. The properties of shadow will open. You can adjust the distance of shadow, angle of shadow, opacity of shadow, softness of shadow, and color of shadow by using respective slide bars. Whatever property you use will automatically indicate the orange color. By clicking on color, you will get a spectrum of color map. Choose the color you want, or you can also pick any color by using picker tool. You can also select and use ready-made presets to create shadow. After adding presets, you can also modify the property by using respective property sliders. You can also apply shadow to multiple pictures by pressing Ctrl on keyboard and selecting multiple photos. Outline. Karizma Design Smart software have many tools to enhance your creative work. Especially if you want to give outline to your photo, select the photo and go to outline feature here. As you select the outline feature, you will see the outline dialog box. You can apply 3 different sizes of outline and 3 outlines simultaneously. You can select inside the photo outline, which will apply the outline inside the photo, or center outline, which will apply to the center of the photo. You can also change the color of the outline through color map. Select the desired color and click OK, or you can use color picker tool also. You can also reset if you want from here. You can also apply outside outline to your photo from here. So as you can see, we have applied 3 types of outline to photo. The best part is that you can apply the entire 3 outlines mode together and you can select different color for each outline. You can also reset the entire 3 outline individually. Any outline which is selected will be indicated here by orange color. You can change the opacity of entire 3 outlines individually. A unique blend mode is provided. You can give blend effect to any selected outline, or you can also use various blend modes preset to achieve desired effect. Apart from this, there are outline presets also available. Just select any preset and double click on it. Instantly you can apply outline preset to any of your selected photo. This can also be used to apply to multiple photos as well. Glow. If you want to apply glow effect to your photo, then click on Glow tab here. There are 2 types of glow features available. You can choose inner or outer glow. Inner glow means inside the photo and outer glow means outside the photo. If you want to change the color of the glow, then go to color map and select the color of your choice. You can even use color picker tool to apply the color of your choice. You can also reset the position of both types of glow feature. You can also change the opacity of the glow. Here there are ready to use presets available. You can instantly use these presets as per your requirement. This way you can work faster also. Filters. Design Smart has many inbuilt ready to use filters. You can use these filters to enhance the property of your photo. To apply the filter, select the photo, then go to Filters tab here. Click on Filters and you will see the Filters dialog. Here you can blur the photo and adjust the sharpness of the photo. You can also adjust the opacity of the photo as required by you. You can also reset all these features to its original condition. If you have selected some images as background of the page, then you can adjust these images here. Just click on the background selection panel. you can adjust the blurriness, sharpness, opacity, hue, contrast and saturation of the background image. Filter blend mode. As you are now in filter mode, you can apply different kind of filters to your selected photo. Many options are available here. You can also use blend mode on all the tools that you have used in the page. For example, you can apply blend mode on clip art. You can also use it on shapes. Thus, you can apply filters on all tools and photos. Text. If you want to use text on page designing, then go to Text tab. You will see the text properties. Click on Add Text and you will get text menu here. Just type whatever you want. Text will appear on the canvas. If you want to change the text font, then select the text and then go to Properties window. Here you can change the size of font, style of the font. You can make it bold or italic or give underline to text. Whatever function you use will be indicated by orange color. You can also unselect these features. You can change the color of the font by picking the color of your choice in color map. You can also adjust the background color of the font from here. You can also apply opacity of the background or reset from here. You can also change the alignment of the text like left, center, right or justify. You can also give outline to font from here. Select the outline tab. Choose the color of the outline through color map. You can also apply shadow to the text. You can also apply shadow, adjust the size of the shadow, adjust the angle of the shadow, and you can also adjust opacity and softness of the shadow. You can even apply glow to the shadow. Effects. If you want to apply ready to use filter effects like color correction, black and white tone, outline, shadow to any photo, then all these presets are available here. Select the photo and double click on the filter preset. All presets have different combination of effects. By selecting the effect, it will apply all the preset properties to the photo. Thereafter, if you want to modify any property, select that property and then modify it by using different tabs provided here. Thus, you can modify all filter effects properties. Object alignment. A special tool is provided to align the photos in the album page. You can align with photo, with page and safe area. Alignment works only with more than one photo. Suppose if you want to align this photo inside the photo in the left, then first select the photo you want to align with the photo. Click on align left and the photo will be aligned in left. Similarly, you can choose right, center, top, bottom and other tools to achieve desired effect. Page-based alignment. Page-based alignment means you can align photos in relation to size of the page. Select photos you want to align. Remember that there should be more than one photo on your page. Click on the photo and you will get the blue indicator. That means your multiple photos are selected. The last photo selected will be indicated with yellow border. Select Page Based tab in the menu selection. If you want to align photos in relation to page size on the left, then click on Left tab. It will automatically align to left side of the page. Similarly, you can choose various selection modes like right bottom. Similarly, you can choose various selection modes like right, bottom center, top left, top right or top center, or bottom left, bottom right or bottom center. Safe area based alignment. Similarly, you can also align photos in relation to safe area. All the procedures are same as in page based alignment. Equal spacing size area alignment. To design the album page manually with different sizes of photos with perfect space alignment, press Ctrl and click all three photos shown here. You will see the selection indicator, and in the last photo you will see yellow indicator. Now if you want to adjust the height of all photos to same size, then go to edit mode and look out for the match size table. As you click the same size, same height tab, you will be able to resize all photos to the size of the last selected photo. Now, if you want to align and adjust equal spacing between the photos align and photos, then click Align tab. Then in spacing dialog, enter the numbers according to the spacing and you will get equal spacing between the photos. You can adjust the spacing by increasing or decreasing the numeral values to get the desired spacing between the photos. Finally, you can fine-tune the height and width alignment by selecting Top tab. Thus, you can accomplish the alignment instantly. Distribution and alignment. If you have more than two photos placed on album randomly, and if you want to align or distribute them with equal space, select the position of the first photo and last photo. Then click Ctrl A. As you select it, the distribution tab will become active. Then select horizontal tab and click on it. All photos will have equal space in between them. If you want to top align them, then select Top Align tab and click. All photos will be aligned in top position. Thus, you can do distribution of photos according to your choice. Top spacing alignment. You can align space adjustment on top photo. Drag the photo down and drag the other photo on top of the previous one. To align the space between these photos, go to Align mode and give numerical value in spacing tab. It will instantly adjust to the value you have provided. Choose the value according to your requirement. Now, if you want to align it to left, then click on Left Align tab. Both photos will be aligned in left. For right alignment, click right. Thus, you can do the alignment. Edit. How to adjust exact height and width. To adjust the height and width of the container window, bring the mouse pointer to the marked stretch scale point and pull the mouse. You will see the X and Y coordinates increasing or decreasing with pull in or pull out of mouse. Thus, you can adjust the size vertically or horizontally. You can also adjust the size through Edit window by putting values in the size bar and achieve the desired window size. You can reset and put new values also. By using height and width chain, you can proportionately adjust the size of the window. Edit. How to adjust exact height and width. You can also adjust the size through Edit window by putting values in the size bar and achieve the desired window size. You can reset and put new values also. By using height and width chain, you can proportionately adjust the size of the window. What is collage? Collage page is a very powerful tool in Design Smart software. You can creatively make collage of multiple photos. You can add as many photos as you want. How to create collage? Select the photo in collage page. A dialog will appear. Click on Create Collage tab. As you activate the Create Collage mode, you will see orange indicator. All collage related tools are provided below the photo. If you want to return to normal mode, then click on Break Collage tab. Now you will see the green indicator and photo related tools. Other way to create collage is to go to Collage window. You will see Create tab. As you click on Create tab, the orange indicator will appear indicating that you are in Create Collage mode. You can resize the photo by dragging it from any side or corner and adjust the size as per your requirement. How to add photo in collage? You can add more photos in your collage page by either double clicking on the photo you want to add or just by drag and drop. As you see, whatever photo you select, horizontal or vertical, will be added in the selected area automatically. If you want to resize your collage, then just select any corner and drag according to the size you want to set. All photos within the selected area will resize proportionately and automatically. How to select multiple photos in collage? You can start creating collage by just clicking on one photo. If you have multiple photos in your design page and if you want to make collage in exact area, then press Ctrl and select as many photos as you want in your collage. All selected photos will come in blue selection area. This becomes your selected size of the collage. Now, as you click Create Collage, the area turns to orange. Now, as you click Create Collage, the area turns to orange indicator and this size becomes your selected size. All photos will be resized proportionately and automatically in the collage. How to replace photo in collage? There are two ways to replace or change the photos within the collage. If you want to replace any photo from collage, then select the photo you want to put in place of the other photo. Drag it on the photo you want to replace for few seconds. The area of replacement will become orange with a symbol. As you drop the photo, it will automatically replace. How to add multiple photos in collage? If you want to add multiple photos in your collage page, then click on plus sign. A blank page will be created. Now pressing Ctrl, go on selecting as many photos in sequence you want to add and click on Add to Collage button. All selected photos will be set according to the sequence you chose within the safe area. This is the most powerful feature for creating collage automatically with any number of horizontal or vertical photos. How to delete photo in collage? If you want to delete any photo within collage, then select collage mode. You will now be in object mode. Your selected photo will have orange border with mouse and zoom indicator. Click the photo that you want to delete. You will see indicator sign within photo. Press delete icon. The selected photo will be deleted and rest of the photos will be automatically and proportionately resized. How to swap photos in collage? You can swap photos very easily in collage. Select the photo you want to swap and drag with mouse pointer. Drag the photo where you want to swap and it will instantly swap to your desired position. You can swap your horizontal photo with vertical photo also. If you want to drag any photo to outside working page, simply drag and drop the photo to outside page. The photo will have green selection indicator and mouse indicator also. Thus, your collage will always remain separate. How to crop picture in collage? If you want to crop any individual photo in collage mode, then you have to click here to enter into object mode. In object mode, by default, your first picture will be selected and you can see hand tool and zoom tool indicator. Now select the picture you want to crop and with left click, you can drag it on left or right to crop the picture according to your requirement. This way, you can crop any picture as per your requirements. Now, you can click on object button again to exit the crop mode. Remember, your picture will always be in crop mode only. And if you replace it with another picture, then that will also be in same crop settings only. How to break collage? To create collage with multiple photos, hold Ctrl key and select pictures and click on add to collage. So now your page is ready with collage. Now if you want to do grouping with selected pictures and do some creative designing, then you have to break collage. Now you are in manual mode. Now select photos by holding Ctrl and click on group button from here. Now your group of 2 photos is created and you can do resize of the pictures. Then it will be applied on these 2 photos only. Now if you want to create another group with 3 photos, then again hold Ctrl button and select 3 photos and click on group button. This way you can select as many photos as you want and create a group. You can even select single photos also for further editing on individual photos. This way you can break collage and edit single photos or group of photos. Now let's see, if I want different type of layout and styles in collage, then how we can do that. The first step to do that is to define the size of the collage. You can just drag and drop or you can just stretch the collage. Once you decide the size, then you can add all the required photos in the collage page. Now as you can see here, we have 2 options, rows and columns. Rows means in a horizontal line how many photos are to be added, that you can select. Or column means you have vertical lines wherein you can choose number of photos in one page. As soon as you click on column, you can see a new design has been created. As we have selected 3 photos in columns, so we can see 3 photos over here. You can add any number of photos you want in one column. So as you can see, we have added 4 photos in the first queue, second we have added 3 photos, and in the last line we have added 2 photos. If you want to swap any of the photos, then you can just drag and drop and you can swap the pictures. So this way your entire layout will also automatically change as per the number of rows you have selected. So this way you can define the columns and rows and you can adjust number of photos in your rows and columns. Shuffle and rotation. We have different ways to shuffle or rotate our photos in collage. The first way which we saw was rows and columns. You can rotate or shuffle your photos using rows and columns option. There is one more way to shuffle your photos or rotate your photos in collage. For that, you can click here on the tool tip and you can see the photos are automatically shuffling and rotating. As you can see, depending upon the orientation of your photos will keep on changing. Alternatively, you can also click over here to shuffle your photos and your designs will keep on changing. There is one more option to rotate your photos. If you click on rotate, your layout will come with a new style. So Every time you click on rotate button and you will see a different angles on your collage. Same thing can be done from here also, and you can click on collage rotation and it will keep on changing your photos. Even you can reset your photos just by clicking over here. So this way you can combine rows, columns, shuffle, rotate, all the tools at the same time, and every time you will see different designs every time.
Ratio 3 is to 2 and 1 is to 1 layout. There are many tools available to design collage. Another option is ratio and fill. If you click on ratio, then you can see here 3 is to 2 and 1 is to 1 option. If you click on 3 is to 2, then all the photos in collage will be resized proportionately in 3 is to 2 mode. It means if you have any pictures in widescreen, square, vertical, etc. size, then all of them will be automatically changed to 3 is to 2 size. This way your photos and layouts will look even. If you click on 1 is to 1, then all the pictures will be reshaped as square. You can swap photos by drag and drop. This way you can design your pages and photos proportionately and even in size.
Fit and fill. In collage, to have different look and feel, we have one more option, that is called fill. So here you can see there are two options, fill and fit. The moment you click on fill button, your collage will automatically adjust on the page in a proper way with proportionate sizing of your photos. So all the photos are proportionally stretched or resized, and you can see it is fit in your collage area. One more option is random. As soon as you click on random button, we have one more exclusive feature for collage, that is random. As soon as you click on random button, you can see you can resize only the picture inside your collage. So you can just resize any of the picture in your collage layout. One of the advantage of collage to resize any of the photo as and when you want. So each picture will be resized as per your requirement. You can even crop your pictures inside the collage. So you can just choose the picture and you can move or you can crop your pages or your photos. You can just choose the picture and you can crop or you can move your photo in the collage. H buffer and V buffer. In collage, we have given lots of different options to design your collage page. One of them is H buffer and V buffer. Let's see use of H buffer and V buffer. H buffer means in a collage page, you can define the working area for your collage. So when you click on H buffer and select the area, according to that, your space will be adjusted on a collage page. You can even apply color to your horizontal buffer area. For that, just click on the opacity and adjust it. Then you can choose the color and click OK. So your horizontal buffer is adjusted. You can adjust the opacity to your edge buffer area. So this way your collage page is adjusted and your designing will be in a specified area only. You can even adjust the vertical buffer and you can select the required area for your collage designing. So this way your horizontal buffer and vertical buffer is adjusted and your designing of a collage page will be done within this specified buffer area only.
Equal gap in collage picture. As you can see, if you want to adjust the gap between different pictures applied in collage, then we have a very powerful tool which is called as gap. You can adjust the slider to adjust the gap between all the pictures applied in collage, and as you can see on the screen, all the pictures will be adjusted according to that. Alternatively, you can also apply numerical gap between your pictures. There is a reset button also which you can apply to adjust the gap and keep it as a reset. Radius. In Karizma Design Smart, we have lots of exclusive features. One of them is radius. You can apply curved shape to all the photos used in collage. For that, you can click on radius option and you can adjust the curve according to your requirement, and as you can see, all the photos in collage have automatically applied radius. This is a very exclusive feature given in Karizma Design Smart. Edit individual photo in collage mode. To edit any photo in collage mode, you need to be in object mode. When you click on object mode, you can see lots of different options over here. For example, now if I want to make color correction for this particular photo, then I can just select the photo and I have to click on adjust, and I can adjust the brightness of the particular photo. For example, in this photo, if I want to make it black and white, you can click on black and white and you can apply black and white on that. Then in this photo, if I want to apply outline, I can just choose the outline from here and I can apply the outline. If I want to change the color of my outline, then I can change the color of outline from here. If you want to change or do some adjustment in the entire collage, then you need to exit from object mode and you can go to break collage. Now from here, you can select all the pictures, or you can just click on adjust button and you can apply black and white, or you can apply outline to all the pictures also. So this way you can adjust individual photos with brightness, contrast or different options, or you can apply outline to individual photo, or you can apply it to the entire collage picture as well. Shadow and glow in collage. Now if you want to apply shadow or glow effect to all the pictures in collage mode, then you can just click on glow button and you can apply the glow according to your requirement. You can choose inside or outside glow for your photos. You can even choose the color of the glow. Now if you want to apply shadow, then you can adjust the shadow also according to your requirement. You can adjust the angle of your shadow, opacity or softness of the shadow. So this way you can apply shadow. We have also lots of presets, so you can just double click on shadow preset and you can apply all the presets to your pictures in the collage. Now if you want to apply glow effect or shadow effect to individual photo, then you can click on object mode and then select the picture and you can apply shadow or glow. Now you can see here we are applying inner glow, outer glow. We can apply even the shadow to your pictures. Apply frames and mask in collage. Now if you want to apply frame or mask to all the pictures in collage mode, then you can just click on desired mask. You can go to break collage. So this way your entire collage page will be selected and you can drag and drop a mask. It will be applied to all the pictures used in the collage. You can remove applied mask from here. So you can see the mask is being removed. You can even double click and the mask will be applied. It will be applied to your entire collage page. If you want to remove mask, you can just click on remove button and mask will be removed. Same way, if you want to apply a frame to all the pictures, then you can just double click on the frame or drag and drop and it will be applied to your collage pictures. So this way you can apply frames and mask. Now if you want to apply frames or mask to individual picture, then you can just click on object mode, and with object mode you can see here hand tool and zoom tool to a particular picture. So this picture is now selected and you can apply frame or mask to this picture. So you can just remove the frame first, then you can go to frames and double click or drag and drop, and it will be applied to one particular picture only. This way you can choose any of the frame on any of the picture and just drag and drop, and it will be applied
And
very easily.
every time you will see different
Now I
designs
can show
every
you
time.
here how you can apply the mask. So you can just select the mask and drag and drop on the picture, and the mask will be applied to your desired picture. So if you want to apply frame or mask to individual picture, then you need to be in object mode, and if you want to apply to the entire page, then you need to be in collage mode. How to reset collage by exact size? Now if I want to adjust the collage with the exact size in height and width, then you can see from here, from the corners, the size of your collage. Now if you want to adjust the collage with exact height and width, then you can just click on collage mode and you can adjust the width. Now for example, I want to keep it as 10 inches by 10 inches. So this way, when I click enter, my collage page will be in exact size of 10 inch by 10 inch. So this way I can adjust the size of my collage with exact dimensions. How to change position in collage? Now we have this collage designed over here, and if you want to change the position of the collage, then you need to click on the center square button, and you can drag it or you can move it as per your requirement. If you choose any individual picture, then it will move only that particular picture. But if you want to move entire collage, then you need to click on the square in the center. If you want to rotate the collage, then you can rotate the collage from the top button over here. How to avoid central line in collage? Now many times it happens while designing the page, our pictures come on the center fold of the album. So this doesn't look good and it creates lots of problem. Now to avoid this, we have lots of tips over here wherein we can avoid this problem. For that, click on add blank page. This will add a completely new blank page. Then choose the photo and drag it on the left side of the page. Now click on create collage button. So this will be in collage mode, and adjust the photo till the center line of your album. So this way, by dragging from all the corners, your picture will be adjusted within the safe area and the center line. Now start adding additional pictures. So this way, all the pictures will be in the left side of the album. Now I want to add some pictures on the right hand side also. So same procedure, drag and drop one picture, go to collage mode and adjust the picture from all the corners. So first we are adjusting for the center line, and then we will adjust for the safe area as well. Now go on adding all the pictures, and this way your collage will be created and a complete new album template is being designed. You can also use options like layout, rows and columns. This will give much more better effect to your album designing. This way you will avoid the central line and your picture will be in a perfect position while folding the album. Whatever designs or pages you have created in Karizma Design Smart, in that you can add clip arts to give more beautiful look and feel to your album. For that, you can go to clip arts and you can choose the category of different clip arts. We have a huge library of different clip arts bundled with Karizma Design Smart. You can just drag and drop any clip art and you can adjust it on any place in the page. If you want to remove the clip art, you can just click on delete button, or you can double click a new clip art and add it on the page. There are lots of additional features also you can apply on the clip art. For example, if you want to make the clip art as a black and white, you can make it a black and white, or you can use ready to use color tones also. So for that, you can just double click any of the color tone and it will be applied to your clip art. You can also apply shadow to your clip art. You can adjust the angle of your shadow. You can adjust the opacity of the shadow. You can adjust the softness of your shadow, or you can apply the color also to the shadow. So this way you can adjust the clip art with lots of additional features, and you can make your page much more beautiful. There is also a glow option, so you can apply glow to your clip art, inside glow, outside glow, and you can just go on applying all the different options on your clip art. How to add new clip arts? If you want to add new clip arts, you can click on user, then you can click plus button, that is for import a file. From here click OK, and you can go to the drive where you already have your clip arts ready on the hard disk. So you can just go to the folder where you have the clip arts ready. Now for example, I'll just click on my clip art folder over here, and you can just choose whatever wedding related or different type of clip arts you already have on the hard disk, and you can just double click on it. It will be added to your library. Like this, you can add multiple clip art also on the page. Now here you can just use the clip art by drag and drop. You can resize it. How to create clip arts? It is very easy to create your own clip arts and add them in Karizma Design Smart. Clip arts are used to give exclusive look to your design pages. Now let's see how you can design your own clip art and use them in Karizma Design Smart. To design your clip arts, you need to use any third-party application wherein you can design your clip arts. Now we are using, first you need to import your image from the hard disk. This could be your JPEG file or TGA file. So you can just select the folder where you have saved the file and import it over here. Once you import the file, as you can see, it is a background. So we need to make it a layer. For that, just double click on the layers on the background and click OK. Now it is a layer. Now you can use selection tool or lasso cutting tool to remove additional part of your background. So you can just use any magic wand or lasso cutting tool, whichever you are comfortable with, and start doing a selection. Once you finish the selection, now you need to remove this background so that it can become a clip art. For that, you can go to edit and click on clear. So once you remove the background, now your clip art is ready. You just have to go to file and save as. Now remember, it should be a 32-bit alpha file. So you need to save it in PNG format. Just select the drive where you want to save your file and select it as a PNG. You can give any desired name to your file and just click on save button. Click OK and your clip art is saved. Now you have ready clip art. You just need to add that in Karizma Design Smart. So for that, go to clip arts, click on user, and just import your clip art file from your hard disk. You can give any name to the category and just click OK. So your category will be created, and then you can just import your clip art from the hard disk where you have saved it. So now here my clip art is, just click open button and it will be added to your Karizma Design Smart. Now you can just drag and drop or double click on the clip art and edit on the screen. You can resize the clip art. Now as you can see, while resizing, we see a red mark on the clip art. It means the quality is unacceptable. You need to remember one thing. To get better quality, you need to use a high resolution image so that the quality remains intact and you get very good output also. You can place your clip art anywhere on the page. You can apply additional filters like black and white, or you can use shadow. You can apply any color tone to your clip art. This will give special effects to your clip art. So this way you can create your own clip art and you can import them in Karizma Design Smart. How to use frames? As we said, we have lot of different options to have a beautiful designed page, and one of them is frames. So as you can click on frames button and you will see a library of different frames. you can just drag and drop any of the frame on any of the picture and it will be directly added to your picture. Now, as you can see here, we have a frame icon in the toolbar. You can delete the frame if you want. So the icon also, it will be removed, and you can add a next frame and it will be added directly to your picture. So again, you can see the icon is open for the frame. So here the picture is applied with frame, and if you want to change the orientation of your frame, then you can flip it vertical or horizontal. So this way your frame will be added or adjusted to your picture. So this is how you can add the frame. Now if you want to apply multiple frames or single frame to multiple pictures, then you can just hold the shift key and you can select all the pictures, and then you can just choose your desired frame and double click or drag and drop on it. So now you can see here the frame is added to your all the pictures. So this way you can use frames. How to use mask? It is very easy to apply mask on individual picture or multiple pictures. For that, click on mask button. In mask category, we have huge library of different masks which you can use to apply on your pictures as per your requirement. To apply the mask, you can double click or drag and drop and it will be applied on your picture. You can see mask button in toolbar as soon as a mask is applied to a photo. If you want to remove the mask, then you can click on delete button. If you want to replace the mask, then you can choose another mask from given category. You can add mask by double click or by drag and drop also. You can see mask icon in the toolbar. You can remove mask by clicking on delete button from here. Mask icon will be removed as soon as you click on delete button. To flip the mask horizontally or vertically, you can click here. You can add your own mask by going to user category. You can create folder and choose your desired mask. You can create mask in any third-party software such as Adobe Photoshop or any other image editing software. To add mask on multiple pictures, select multiple pictures by holding Control button. Now you can see these blue color lines which shows grouping of multiple pictures. Then select desired mask and double click or drag and drop to apply the mask, and the mask will be applied to all the pictures you selected. How to create mask? In Karizma Design Smart, you can design exclusive pages by using various contents such as clip arts, frames, mask, etc. Now let's see how you can create your own mask. We have already given huge library of various masks in Karizma Design Smart. To create mask, the outside part of the mask should be black and from inside it should be white. This can be designed in any third-party software such as Adobe Photoshop or any image editing software. Now let's see how to create a mask in Adobe Photoshop. At first, go to New Page and select Inches. Then design the size, such as we use 7 inches as a width and height as 5 inches. And select background color as black and click OK. Now you have your background with black color. Now you can click on Shapes and select Custom Shape tool. Now you can see here you have lots of ready-made shapes, or you can create your own shape also. For example, we use this shape. Now you can define the size of the shape and drag it as much as you want. Remember, your black color is going to be alpha layer, and in white area the picture will come. Now your mask is ready, and go to File and click on Save As and create a new folder and save it with any name and save in JPEG folder. And click on Save. Now we go back to Karizma Design Smart and import our mask. To import the mask, go to Mask folder and click on User. Now click on Import button and select the folder where you saved the mask. Now you can see the mask is added in your folder. Now select the picture and remove old mask and then select your own new mask and apply on the picture. We created the mask as horizontal, but the picture is vertical. But in Karizma Design Smart, the mask will be adjusted automatically. Now you can see the black area is masked and in white color the picture is added. So while designing the mask, you have to decide how much black area should be and white area should be. Now you can adjust the picture by using crop. So this way you can create your mask. How to create soft mask? What is soft mask? Let me delete this mask and apply a soft mask. Now you can see the mask is having soft effect on the photo. Now let's see how to create a soft mask. To create a soft mask, you have to go to any third-party software such as Adobe Photoshop and create a new page. The process is same. So you just have to go to new page and apply the size of 7 inches by 5 inches and keep background as black. Now go to custom shape tool and select design shape. Now go to custom shape tool and select desired shape and adjust it on the page. So now outside is black and inside is white. Now we have to select white layer using Control key and white layer from here. Now white area is selected. Now hide the layer from here and select background layer and go to select, modify and select feather and select the range of feather. For example, we apply 30 and click OK. Now you can see the edges are curved. Now in the selection we have to fill white color. For that, go to fill and select white color and click on color bucket and apply on the selection area. Now you can see the mask is created with soft edges. Now you have to save the mask and select file as JPEG or JPEG and give any file name and save the mask. Now go back to Karizma Designer software and add new mask. To add new mask, click on user and click on import button and select your new soft mask and click on open. Now you can see your new mask is added in mask folder. Now you can apply mask on any horizontal or vertical picture and Karizma Design Smart will adjust it automatically. And this way you can create any number of masks and use them in Karizma Design Smart software. Lasso. How to cut photo background. In Karizma Design Smart, we have multiple options to do lasso cutting. Or to add more creativity, you can also use combination of multiple software for lasso cutting. For that, you can use any template from given library or you can create your own template also. Now double click on your desired template and add pictures. You can double click or drag and drop to add pictures. You can see indicator on the pictures you use. So this way create a beautiful page. You can crop the photo or zoom the photo to fit it properly on the template. Now your page is ready. If you want to remove background from this photo, then there are two ways. You can see editor indicator below the selected photo. From here, you can assign any third-party software for editing the photo, or you can go to File, Preferences and select External Editor. Now select your photo editing software exe file and click on Open. So now selected photo will automatically open in your photo editing software. Now from here you can do lasso cutting, retouching and many other activities. Now here you have various tools for lasso cutting. You can select any tool and start with lasso cutting. In Karizma Design Smart, you can use multiple softwares for exclusive and fastest album designing. So now we have completed our lasso cutting selection process. Now we have to remove the background. For that, go to layers and double click on the background and make it a layer. Now at first we have to apply feather. Now you can select range of feather and click on OK button. Now to delete the background, go to select and click on inverse. You can also use shortcut keys for the same. Then go to edit and click on clear to remove the background. So now background is deleted and lasso cutting is also done. Now we have to save the picture. So go to file and click on save as and save the file as PNG. So the photo will be saved with alpha layer. Now save the photo with whatever name you want and you can select any folder. Now minimize the software and go back to Karizma Design Smart. Now we have to import the photo in Karizma Design Smart software. So go to your folder and go to user folder and select the photo and add in photos folder. Now just select the photo in template and replace it with new lasso photo. As you can see, your new photo is now added with lasso cutting. You can see the photo is with glow effect and feather is also applied. Now you can apply different special effects such as black and white, shadow, glow, outline, etc. And you can create exclusive designing using multiple third-party softwares and Karizma Design Smart. How to use background? In Karizma Design Smart, you can use any photo or image as background. You can go to background folder and double click on any image to use as background. How to compose background? As you know, you can add any background from background button and double click on it. Now you can select the background in your template and you can see various tools over here. This is your shape. If your shape is on entire template, then it will look like background. But if you see editing tools in down here, then it means it is not background. In any template, if you see tools on left side, then it means in that template background is used. Now if you want to compose the background, for example zoom, then as soon as you click on the background, you will see hand tool and zoom tool. With hand tool, you can move the background and with zoom tool, you can zoom the background. Now, if you want to add any colors in background, then you can click on color and select any color and click OK. Now you can't see the color in background as color is behind. So to merge the color, go to opacity and reduce the range, and this way you will see color effect on your background. We have given huge library of colors in Karizma Design Smart software. We have given huge library of backgrounds in Karizma Design Smart software, and you can add any colors on your background. How to change background color? To change background color, you have to click on background. Now you can see tools on left hand side. Now click on BG color and select color using color picker tool, or you can choose your own color also and click OK. So this way you can change color from BG color. How to add new background? To add your own background, go to user and click on import button. Give any name and click OK. Then go to your folder and select any background files and click on open. You can use JPEG, TGA, TIFF as background and it will be added here. Then you can double click on any background and it will be applied in template. If you want to delete any background, then select the background and you will see tools on your left side, and from here you can delete the background. How to use shapes. If you want to add more creativity in your template, then you can use shapes. You can add any type of shapes by double click or drag and drop. You can see all shape related properties here. If you want to change the color of shape, then click here and select desired color and click OK. You can resize the shape. You can also use shapes from variety of categories from here, or you can import your own shapes also. How to use geometrical shapes. To add more creativity, you can also add geometrical shape. In geometrical shape, you can draw lines, resize it, or you can add color also. To add color, just select the line and select desired color. In geometrical shape, you can have lines, squares, and oval shape also. You can also apply outline with any color. You can also apply shadow, etc. In normal shape, you cannot apply outline, but in geometrical shape, you can apply outline also. How to change layout. If you want to change the layout of your desired design, then you can change that also. For example, you have created a template with 4 photos, and if you want to change layout, then go to layout and select layout of your choice. You can choose layout with any number of photos and double click on it. Now your new layout will be loaded and your photos background will remain as it is. If you want to use layout with 5 photos, then that also you can use. The advantage of layout is your photos background everything will remain same and only position of your photo will change. So this way you can change layout instantly and quickly. How to save layout. You can save layout which you have created. For that you have to go to layouts, user, and create a category. You can give any name to your category. Now click on save button and give any name to your layout. In category, you can see list of all your categories and choose your desired category and click on save. Now you can see your new layout here. This will save only the position of your pictures. For example, if you have used frames, mask, background, etc., then it will not be saved. Only the position will be saved. Now, if you want to use your own layout in some other page, then you can double click on your layout and it will come on screen. Now you can add your photos and this way you can save, and this way you can use same layout multiple times. How to change layout and templates. In Karizma Design Smart, you can create creative and exclusive pages very easily and very quickly. Now let's see how to change template and layout. For example, you have a page ready with portrait photos, but you want to design the template as ceremony template. So for that you can choose a new template and double click on it. And new template with clip arts, mask, background, etc. will be added. Now select your photos and add them in template. Now if you want to add more photos, then select all photos by holding Ctrl key and then click on create collage. So now all photos are in collage mode. Now you can add any number of photos in collage. This way Karizma Design Smart will adjust all the photos automatically. Now if you want to change the layout of collage, then you can go to layout and select rows and columns and layout will change automatically. Here you can see some space here. To adjust the space, you can click on fill and select fill option and all the photos will be adjusted accordingly. Now on the other side of template, you can add more photos. You can align them and now your new template is ready as per your requirements. If you want to change the color of background, then select background, then select background and from left side toolbar you can change the color and choose any color of your choice. If you want to change the color of clip art, then you can select single or multiple clip arts and change the color from toolbar. Now you can see the color has been changed quickly. How to change frames and mask. In Karizma Design Smart, lots of tools are available to do exclusive designing. If you want to add frames, then you can click on frame and you can see huge library of frames and select any frame. Now select your photo and double click or drag and drop to apply frame. You can flip the frame from here. It will flip as per your desired angle. Similarly, if you want to apply mask, for example on two photos, then select two photo by holding Ctrl and selecting photos. Now go to mask and select any mask from given library. Now you can see the mask is applied. Now if you want to apply borders on these two photos, then hold Ctrl key and select photos and go to outline. Now adjust the outline as per your requirement. You can change the color of outline also. You can add inside, center and outside line. This way you can do instant and creative designing in Karizma Design Smart. How to flip template. To flip your template, you have two icons here. If you click on flip, then the photos will remain same and only the position of clipart background and photos will change. You can flip vertical or horizontal also. How to replace template. You can create your own designs instantly in Karizma Design Smart. You can add any number of photos, but sometimes we don't have creative artist. And in that case, if we want to design professional looking pages, then we have given another option, that is template. In template, we have given huge library of various templates. You can choose template as per number of photos you have used. For example, here we have used 4 photos. So we will choose template with 4 photos and we can see lots of templates for 4 photos. You can double click on any template and you can see your photos will come automatically in your new template. Now you can align photos as per your requirement and your new template is ready. If you don't like the template, then you can choose another template. You just have to compose photos properly and rest of the work will be done by Karizma Design Smart. Copy paste properties on photos. In Karizma Design Smart, you can modify any template or create your own templates also. For example, in this template, if you want to add one more photo, then select your photo and double click on it. Now your photo is added. Now if you want to apply properties of other photo on new photo, then select the photo and from tools click on properties and again click on copy properties. Now paste properties on new photo. This way you can apply outline, colors, etc. from previous photo to new photo. How to save template. To save any template for future use, go to template, click on user and then click on save. Give any name to template and select desired category. Then click on OK. This way you can save new template for future use. Storyboard. In Karizma Design Smart, you can create any number of pages. If you want to see your pages, then click on storyboard and you can see preview of all the pages you created. You can move the storyboard to left and right from here. If you want to create a duplicate page, then you can click on add duplicate page and your duplicate page will be added. Now you can delete any photo or you can do any changes to duplicate page. Your theme will remain as it is. To add a blank page, you can click here by clicking on plus button. To delete any page, you can click on minus button. Same tools can be used from here also. The first page is cover page of the album. You can change the page sequence by drag and drop also. How to add theme page. In storyboard, we have one more special feature. It is add theme page. For example, if you have created album with multiple pages and if you want to add one more page with same theme, then you can click on add theme and you can see new template is added with same theme. Now you can add more pictures in same theme and continue your designing. Full screen work area. In Karizma Design Smart, to enhance user experience, we have given bigger working area. But if you want extra space to work, then you can click on full screen and your template will become full screen. If you click again on full screen, then you will come back to normal mode. If you want to increase right side working area, then you can click here. Then you can click here to minimize right side tools. If you want tools again, then you can click on arrow again. If you want to increase the working area of bottom, then you can click on arrow to minimize. If you want to maximize, then click again on the arrow. You can adjust working area manually also. This way you can adjust the working area as per your convenience. How to change theme. In beginning, you selected any theme to design the album. But after designing the album, if you don't like the theme and if you want to change the theme, then you can click on change theme button and you can choose a new theme from the library and double click on it. Now all your pictures will come automatically in new theme. So this way, after designing the album, you can change the theme. How to shuffle layout. You can shuffle layout from shuffle layout switch and your layout will change as per number of photos. Copy paste, undo, redo. You can copy and paste any photo from here. For example, if you want to copy any photo, then click on copy and then click on paste. Similarly, if you want to undo or redo, then you can do it from here. Alternatively, you can also use Ctrl Z as a shortcut. How to select all photos. After designing any page, if you don't like photos or objects, then you can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl A and select all the items used on the page. Then you can click on delete button and all things will be deleted from the page. How to save project. In Karizma Design Smart, there are many ways to save your project. One of the option is to save your project from save button given here. Your album can be saved automatically also. For that just save your project one time and then once your one page is designed, click on next page and your previous page will be saved automatically. Another option is when you click on home button from here, then that time also it will ask you to save your album. You can click on yes button and your album will be saved and you will be directed to home page. How to open project. While working in Karizma Design Smart, if you want to open another project, then click on open project button and it will ask you to save current project. You can click on yes and your current project will be saved. Then you will come to home page and from library you can see thumbnails and now you can select your desired project and double click on it. So your next project will open and you can continue your designing work. How to preview album. After completing your album designing job, you can view all pages in storyboard. Now, before sending album for printing or approval, if you want to see preview of album, you can click on preview button from here. Now, your preview window will open and you can see your album preview. Now, you can click on play button and you can see all pages one by one. After finishing preview, if you want to edit the project, then you can close and come back to same project in edit mode. How to go to home page. After designing your album, if you want to go to home page, then you can click on home button here. Here you have three options: yes, no and cancel. If you click cancel, then you will be on same page again. If you click on save project, then the project will be saved and you will be directed to home page. If you click on no button, then your album will not be saved and you will be directed to home page. View safe area, ruler and guide. We have provided lots of tools for manual designing of albums. For example, in View, we have given rulers, grids. If you want to add guidelines, then you can add them from here. You can add any number of vertical and horizontal guidelines. If you want to remove guidelines, then simply drag them by mouse and it will be removed. To switch off guidelines, you can go to View and switch off guidelines. If you click on Show Grid in View, then you can see grid lines also. You can switch off Safe Area from View, so you can see your pages without Safe Area. You can switch on Safe Area again from View button. You can switch on center line from View and you can see exact center line in left page and right page. So this way you can do perfect designing with perfect alignment of photos and other objects. How to change safe area color? To change safe area color, you can go to Preferences and click on Change Safe Area Color. Now you can choose the color using color picker or you can choose the color bar from here and click OK. Now you can see the safe area color is changed. Now whenever you move picture or any object and if it goes out of safe area, then it will show as a pink indicator. It means if you place any object in safe area, then it will be cut. So this way you can change the safe area color. How to change project path? To see where your project is saved, you can go to File, Preferences and select Project Workspace. Now you can see where your project is saved. If your hard disk is full or if you want to save your project in some other drive, then you can click on Browse and select desired partition and create a folder and click on Select Folder. Now your new directory location can be seen here. Project page and photo information. To see the project information, you can go to Project Information and you can see name of project, location of project, number of spreads and pages, size of the pages, number of photos used and size of the project. If you want to see current page information, then you can go to File and click on Page Information and it will show you information of current page such as project name, location of page, number of page, size of the page and number of photos used in the page. The advantage of page information is if your cover page size is different, then you will get all information here. If your designing page is right side, then you can see size of the page from here. If you want information of any photo, then you can go to File, click on Photo Information and you can see size of the photo, resolution of the photo and location of the photo. How to backup and restore. To backup any project, you have to come to Home page and click on Help. Now click on Backup Project. Now you can select desired location and folder and give your name. Click on Select Folder and now go to the folder where you have saved the backup and click OK and the project will be restored. In backup, all the material such as photos, clip arts, frames will be saved and when you restore the project, all content will be restored again. How to export? To export the project, there are two ways. One way is you can export project from home page. To export project from home page, select the project from here and you will see orange color indication and click on Open Exporter. Now you can see all the pages of your project in Exporter window. You can see project information from here. You can see path of your project, number of pages, size of the pages and number of photos used. Here there are three type of export options. You can choose approval format. KZM means you can print the album in Karizma or you can export the album in printable file format such as JPG, Targa, PDF, etc. You can choose DPI from here and select desired file format from here. You can choose the folder where you want to export all the pages here. Here you can see your recharge balance. From here you can go to edit window, and from here you can choose individual pages or all pages for export. How to use approval. If you want to send the album pages for approval, then you can click here to decide whether you want to send all pages or you want to send individual or selected pages. You can make selection for selected pages by holding Ctrl key and mouse. Let's choose all pages and click on approval and select JPEG format. Now click on export. Now your all pages will start exporting one by one. The advantage of approval module in Karizma Design Smart is the file size will be very small and all the pages will have watermark on it. So customers cannot print the pages anywhere. You can see progress bar and number of pages exported. Your balance amount will not be deducted because in approval module there are no charges. After completing approval export, you can see all the information here. If you click on yes, then you can see exported pages on your screen. Now you can double click on any page to see it. Here you can see watermark on every photo. These files are very low in resolution, so you can send them by email or through mobile also. How to use KZM format. KZM format means it is a Karizma format. If you want to print album from Karizma, then you can export the album pages in KZM format. For that, select the file format as KZM. Exporting in KZM file format is absolutely free. KZM files can be printed only at Karizma franchisee across India. You can copy all KZM files in pen drive or hard disk and get the album created from any of the Karizma franchisee. How to use printable format. To export pages in printable format, you can use KZM or printable format. If you want to export pages in JPEG or PDF, then you have to select printable format. Now select the file format such as JPEG and select DPI or resolution and then click on export. Your recharge balance will reduce as soon as you start export in printable format. Recharge amount will be deducted based on number of pages you export. For example, while exporting in printable format, if the power goes off or system crash or if internet stop working, then your deducted recharge will be added again to your recharge balance. All the approval pages will go in separate folder and final exported pages will go in different folder. So it will be easy for you to identify which are your exported pages and which are your approval pages. Exported pages will have automatic date and time information, so it will be easy for you to identify pages or sort them out. Help manual. In help menu, you can see user manual, shortcut keys, etc. You can see list of all shortcut keys for super fast album designing. In about, you will get version related information, registered email ID. You will get all product related or update related information on your registered email ID. This is your serial number of Karizma Design Smart. Karizma Design Smart is a single user, single system license software. This is email ID of Karizma support team. So if you want to have any clarification on the software or if you are facing any problem, you can contact our support department. This is our Karizma website where you can get information about latest Karizma products, Karizma franchisee details, etc. This is your backup project and restore project. This option will work from home page and we have already explained about it in our previous segment of training video. This is check balance. Here you can see your Karizma design balance amount. Training videos. In Karizma Design Smart, we have given a complete training video. Training video is given in the disk of Karizma Design Smart software. You can insert the disk in your DVD drive and right click on it. Here you can see training video folder. You can copy the training video on your desktop or you can play it directly from the disk also. You have to click on Design Smart Training Player and your interactive training video will start. You can also see interactive menu in the training video. Select desired chapter or you can use search option to search the chapter based on keywords. We recommend you to see training video before starting use of the software. How to recharge? To recharge your Karizma Design Smart, go to check balance from help option. Here you can see your scheme. To recharge, click to recharge button. You will be directed to recharge page. Please note that internet connection is necessary for doing the recharge. Here you can select coupon recharge or credit card or other online recharge option. To recharge with credit card, you have to click on online recharge. Or if you want to recharge with coupon, then click on coupon recharge. To recharge using coupon, click on coupon button and use your scratch card to get coupon code. Now you have to enter coupon code and then you can select scheme, scheme name, scheme type, scheme format, scheme validity and scheme value. Then you have to click on I agree to terms and click on proceed to renew. Your account will be recharged and you will get message for that. You will get email on your registered email ID and SMS on your registered mobile number. Now you can close recharge window and close Karizma Design Smart software. Now again open the Karizma Design Smart software. Now you will see your recharge information. This way you can recharge with multiple options. In export mode also you can see your recharge balance. If your recharge balance is low, while exporting the pages, then you will get message for the same and you can click on recharge now and you will be redirected to recharge page to do the recharge. How to recharge online? If you want to recharge Karizma Design Smart from some other location, then go to this web address and add your registered mobile number and password. The password will be sent to you while registering your software. If you don't remember the password, then you can click on forget password and you will get new password on your registered mobile number. Now enter your new password and click on sign in. Now click on renew product from left side. Here you can see all list of all the Karizma Design Smart registered on your single mobile number. Now select which key you want to renew and click on renew button. Now you will be on recharge page and this way you can recharge your Karizma Design Smart from any location.